Hello students, in last video lecture we have studied lesson number 1.4 Big Data Big Insight. In this video lecture I'll give you assignment, some questions of brainstorming, and you have to complete the assignment in English notebook. So let's see some questions which I am telling you. Listen very carefully and write the question answer in your English notebook. See, first activity is that activity 1. Look at this question. YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefits of lemon and share them with your friends. I repeat the question. YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefits of lemon and share them with your friends. You have to write the benefits of lemon with the help of YouTube. You can watch so many videos related to the benefits of lemon. You can visit to a YouTube channel and you have to just search out and write the benefits of lemon with the help of YouTube only. Next activity is that activity 2. First one, make point-wise notes from the lesson regarding the uses of big data in the following application. Do not write complete sentence. I repeat the question. Make point-wise notes from the lesson regarding the uses of big data in the following application. Do not write complete sentence. Means you have to write only points. Do not write sentences. Don't copyright the sentences which is already given in the explanation. Just make a point and you have to write only the points. The topic already given here. The topics such as location tracking, first, second, third, fourth. You have to write only the 4 points regarding location tracking uses of big data. Second is that healthcare industry. Regarding healthcare industry, you have to just point out 4 important points and you have to complete the answers with the help of big data, uses of big data which is given in the textbook. Third one is that education industry. A related education industry, you have to just write 4 important points, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way you have to just write regarding important points of education industry. Next activity is that second activity 2, second question. When you are asked for personal details on social media, when you are asked for personal details on social media, what precautions will you take? Discuss in pairs and write down. See, try to understand the meaning of these questions. When you are asked for personal details of social media, what precaution will you take? You have to write the precaution which you will take and you have to write brief information about that. Next activity is that activity second, third question. Do you think all the data we receive is used for positive things? Do you think all the data we receive is used for positive things? If no, make a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. I repeat the question. Do you think all the data we receive is used for positive things? If no, make a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. Third one is that activity 3. Guess the meaning of the following idioms and phrases and use them in sentences of your own. One is done for you. Activity 3rd is that guess the meaning of the following idioms and phrases and use them in sentences of your own. One is done for you. Look at the first one. One size fits all. Here the idioms given here. the meaning of these idioms is that suitable for or used in all circumstances. The wristwatches have adjustable belts, so one size fits all. See, the example is given here. The wristwatches have adjustable belts, so one size fits all. In this way, you have to just write other remaining idioms. First one, once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Second one man army. Third one, once bitten, twice shy. And last one up on. Last activity is that activity 4th, do as directed. First one, A, advertisers are one of the biggest players in big data. According to this sentence, you have to just follow the instructions as per the given. Here what you have to do, first one, begin the sentence with very few. With the help of use very few which accumulated by the degrees of comparison, degrees of adjectives. So at the beginning of the sentence, you have to write only the begin with the sentence very few. Second sentence is that second instructions in the same sentence, use bigger than and rewrite the sentences. Here comparative degree you have to use and write the sentences. B, no other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of big data. I repeat the question. No other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of big data. First one you have to do, use best and rewrite the sentence. With the help of using best, good, better, best. Here you have to use superlative degrees of comparison and write the sentence. In the same sentence, second one is that use better than and rewrite the sentence. Better than. Here you have to use comparative degrees and complete the sentence. Next one, see, the internet giants provide the greatest data about people. These internet giants provide the greatest data about people. Begin the sentence with no other. Here with the help of no other, you have to just begin the sentence and complete the sentence. And in that next one, last question is that use greater than and rewrite the sentence. Again you have to write degrees of comparison and you have to just complete the sentences. Use with the help of use greater than. That much only you have to solve. So this is today's activity and you have to just write in your English notebooks. So in this lecture I'll give you, I already given some important question. You have to solve only the fourth activity, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3 and activity 4. That much only you have to write it. In that activity 4 only one questions you have to complete it. So you have to just write question answer and you have to solve all activities which I am telling you in your English notebook. Thank you.